Peter Obi betrayed me.
Told Peter Obi, these people will sell you out. And I mean it. The only thing I'm begging them is that, because he's still my brother, anywhere they sell him to, let me know. Let me go and start let me go and look for him. It was even Atiku Abubakar that first of all said he was going to do 1 term. Then Peter Obi now keyed into it, because he knows that if him as a younger person does not make that promise, he loses the entire North.
Who paid Kenneth Okonkwo? The rhetorical question about Peter Obi's ex-spokesman. Today, Nigerians are asking a rhetorical question. Who paid Kenneth Okonkwo? Who is beating the drum for him in the bush? Why does a man who was once Peter Obi's royal spokesman now attack him at every chance? This is not just about one man. It is about betrayal, politics, unity, and the future of Nigeria. Kenneth Okonkwo was known first as a Nollywood actor. Politically, he wasn't popular. He even lost election in his own state. But in 2023,
Obi is a man of character. Obi is a man of content. Obi is a man of courage. I am here in Benue.
when he became the spokesperson for Peter Obi's campaign, he found national fame. Nigerians began to take him seriously. But since then, things changed. He has attacked Obi for not reaching out after the 2023 election. He also attacked him over Julius Abule's leadership. Obi responded calmly once, saying, even Jesus had 12 apostles and one betrayed him. Okonkwo got angry at that Judas comparison. Now, Okonkwo is attacking Obi again, saying Obi's promise to do only 1 term is just a political trick to deceive Northerners. This raises serious questions. Why would Okonkwo oppose a 1-term promise when he himself has said before that any Southern president should do only 1 term for balance? If Obi accepts this, why does Okonkwo see it as deception? The truth is, this looks more like personal bitterness than political analysis, because the logic does not add up. And this is why people are asking rhetorically, who paid him? Who is pushing him? Let's break it down clearly. 1. Betrayal hurts more when it comes from inside. Obi may survive attacks from APC, PDP or Tinubu, but when it comes from his own former spokesman, it shakes people's confidence. 2. It weakens Igbo unity. Other tribes supported Obi in 2023. Hausa, Yoruba, minorities. But if an Igbo brother is the one dragging him down, what message does it send to the rest of Nigeria? 3. It divides the coalition. Obi and Okonkwo are in the same coalition. Instead of focusing on how to win 2027, the coalition now looks confused. 4. It distracts Nigerians. Instead of discussing jobs, hunger, and bad governance, people are discussing Kenneth Okonkwo's anger. That only benefits those in power. We cannot say for sure, but let's consider possibilities. Maybe he feels Obi abandoned him after the election. Maybe he wants more relevance in the media and attacking Obi keeps him trending. Maybe some politicians within or outside the coalition are whispering to him, encouraging him to attack Obi. Or maybe he truly believes his own criticism, even if it sounds contradictory. Whatever the reason, the effect is the same: confusion, division, and wasted energy. This issue shows a bigger problem. Igbos complain of marginalization, but sometimes they are the ones fighting themselves. When brothers destroy each other publicly, outsiders don't need to do anything. Kenneth Okonkwo owes his political spotlight to Obi, yet instead of building on that and helping strengthen the movement, he is breaking it down. The rhetorical question remains, who is beating the drum for him in the bush? If it is bitterness, let him say so. If it is politicians using him, time will reveal it. But Nigerians are watching. At the end of the day, the lesson is clear. Opposition movements must learn to manage their internal disagreements quietly and focus on the real enemy: poverty, bad governance, corruption and insecurity. Every time Kenneth Okonkwo attacks Obi, it is not Obi alone who loses. It is the millions of Nigerians who dream of a better country.